Hi there guys, welcome back to the Farrington channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can mine veal on the ProgPowZ algorithm. Okay guys, so I received a comment saying, hey, you should do a how to mine veal. It's a CPU, GPU and ASIC mineable coin. So what I've decided to do is just do a little bit of a how to mine veal and then have a little look over and see what veal is. Now, this wasn't a cryptocurrency that I've heard before. Okay, let's have a little look at the trading chart for veal. As you can see here, the price is 0.003. As of today's standards, it's up 5% in the past 24 hours, so that's not too bad. So I will be, keeping my eye on the market as well whilst I'm, start collecting some of the coins. I can also see as well that it says it's an active, but it's not a listed cryptocurrency at the moment. At the moment they are currently mining on Woolly Pooley, and it looks like they have over 50% of the network's hash rate, and they're asking us to use a different pool, and that we can also use TradeOgre as well for exchange and wallet if needs be. So having a look over at their website. So what is veal? A digital alternative to cash. Key differentiators: supporting a private cashless society. Right, okay, don't even know what that word says there, to be fair with you. But let's have a little look over at the mining side of things. Okay, so we can use TT Miner, Wildrig and T-Rex, and then we've got the Woolly Pools pool. So just so you're aware guys, if you do want to download a wallet, okay, the first thing that we're ever going to need when it comes to starting to mine veal is you're going to need a wallet. So make sure, if you need a wallet, then make sure you click on the provider that's better for yourself. Okay, so the best operating system. So for myself, I would click Windows, but for this instance sake, what I'm actually going to be doing guys is I'm going to be using the TradeOgre exchange. I'm going to be using the wallet over there just purely because you can use the wallet over on there, and I'll be using my deposit address that way. Okay, so let's take a look over at Woolly Pool for veal, and as you can see here it says TradeOgre mine to the exchange wallet directly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my veal. So if you haven't got a TradeOgre account, please make sure to register up if that's how you plan to do it. But if you want to be safe, make sure that you do download the wallet, because if it's not your own keys, then it's not your money. Okay, so let's start with select your region. So for myself, I'm in Europe. Select the miner. And once you've selected your miner, then pop in your wallet address that we copied from the TradeOgre. And then what you need to do is enter in your own worker name. And then what we need to do is simply head ourselves over to T-Rex Miners GitHub. So let's just open that up. And because I'm using Windows, I'm going to need the T-Rex 0.26.8 Windows zip. So what I'm going to do is download that, and then what I'm going to do is take this to my desktop, and then I'm going to open this up on my desktop. So let's just find the T-Rex once it pops there, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and create a new folder for T-Rex. As you can see guys, this is why my desktop is very, very messy, because I have lots of folders, lots of miners with all the exact same names. So name this however you like, but you'll probably be able to do T-Rex straight away. So I'm going to drag and drop this into there. Then what we're going to need to do is we are going to need to unzip or extract this into here. And if you can't do this, then you'll need a software either like WinRAR or something like 7up. But let's press extract here. And once this is all extracted, what we're going to do is, as you can see, there's already a bat file made up for us here. But what we're going to do is take ourselves back over to the pool and go down to here, and if we press copy here, it's got all of our address and our worker name already pre-filled in there for us. So what we need to do is just open this back up, Control P, and press save. And once that's saved, then all we need to do is go back to our desktop, open back up the folder, and double click and There you go guys, we are now successfully mining veal on Woolly. But let me just go ahead and grab my wallet address as well. Let's go back and open up the pool. Put that into there. And if I press search on there, it should ever so slightly, in a few minutes, it should update to let us know that we have successfully jumped onto the pool and started submitting shares. But as we've only jumped in and just started, this could take up to 10 to 15 minutes before that actually does show any data onto the actual pool. Okay, so the pool has now updated and it's showing that we have hash rate on there, and we're slowly increasing our average on there every single minute as it's going by. So as you can see there, it's currently running at around about, let's have a look just to see if it has anything that's different on there. It seems to be running around about 49 mega hashes at the moment. This is an RX 3090 at the moment on here, and it seems to be doing pretty well on the ProgPowZ algorithm at this specific time. So what I'm going to do guys is I am going to leave this going for 24 hours and I'll see how this goes. Hopefully I do hit payout on it, so then within the 24-hour period, if I'm not interested in mine on there, I'll be able to move off and try a different cryptocurrency. But for something to give a shot, I'm definitely worth interested in trying things new, and definitely anything that's speculative as well, especially sometimes when things aren't listed as well. I'm definitely interested in jumping and trying them as well, because sometimes they are the most profitable ones if they do any types of pumps. But yeah, I really do appreciate the comment that I received to check this out and to do a how to mine, and here's the video for you. But for any of you out there as well, if you do have any comments or any questions or anything like that, then please do leave them in the comment section below. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and I appreciate it for those of you that have stuck through and watched the video all the way through. If you've learned anything or you've took anything from this video, then please make sure to drop us a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Also guys, don't forget to check out the channel for other crypto content just like this, so that you can see further how to mines and other crypto content.